Did you ever think of hacking your friend's phone by just an APK? Yep, we are gonna do this now. We're gonna hack our friend's phone by just an APK. You can hack other people's too. It's not necessary to hack your friend always. So as you can see right here, I have opened the C matrix. So I should look like a hacker. That's why I opened. So so first of all, we're gonna download that tool which is gonna create our APK. So just type this command and basically it will install that tool. It is around 400 MB. So it is installed now. So I will tell you a command. You just have to copy and paste it and the APK will be created. So let me show this command to you. So you just have to change a thing. You just have to type ifconfig and you will see your IP here and just copy it and replace it with this. After doing this, I will explain this command to you. First of all, we are going to take the use of this MSFNN to create our APK, and this is for Android, and it is going to provide us reverse TCP connection, and this is our IP, and this is the port, and this is the O is generally used to output, and we're gonna take this APK as the output of this command. You can change the name. You can change it to Facebook, to whatever you like. Okay. So after this, we are gonna share this APK to our friend. And I don't have friends, so I'm gonna share it to myself. So I will take the use of virtual device. So I'm gonna share it to myself on WhatsApp. So I will send it. Yep, I have sent it to myself. And make sure you guys are at same network. If you are at different, like your friends are somewhere else, so it will not work. Maybe it can actually work, but you have to take the use of NGRock, and I'm not that much rich to put my credit card in NGRock website. So uh, we're gonna take this or local now. So make sure to like and subscribe. If I get maybe 300 likes, not 300 likes, 300 views on next video, I will make a video where we're gonna hack on wide area networks. So first of all, install that this APK. As you can see, this is installed. Okay. So now I'm gonna uh, start the listeners, which is gonna give us some options so we can do some stuff in this phone. Okay. So I'm gonna go to MSF console. Okay, it is starting the MSF console. Okay, it is look. So after doing this, we have to give it some commands. So first of all, we are using exploit slash multi slash handler, which is gonna handle a lot of devices if you have shared this APK to a lot of devices. So after this, uh, we have to set the payload to Android because we made this for Android. Mm, meter data reverse TCP. Yep. After doing this, as you can see, the payload is categorized for this Android meter data reverse TCP, which is gonna provide us backdoor. So after this, you have to set the L host and L port. So you have uh, copied your IP, I think. So you just have to type your IP right here. I will look up my IP. What's my IP? 192.168.9.110. 9.110. Yeah, that's my IP. And you also have to set the L port 4444. So after doing this, as you can see, we have done everything. Now we just have to listen. So after this, we just have to type exploit. As you can see, I have exploited. So the user is gonna just open this app. Okay. So as you can see, I have entered that phone. So as you can see, if I open this APK, it is not gonna open. So the target may think it's a glitch or bug, but that's not the case. We have the access. So I'm gonna show you some really interesting commands. So we can record mics. We can do snaps. We can take the snap from webcam. But as you can see, I am using it virtually, so it is not gonna take my camera and my audio. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do some really weird stuff. So I'm gonna take the help of command play, and I have downloaded a file. As you can see, I will show you. Uh, yep, this. It only takes the file with WAV extension. So I'm gonna copy this path and I'm gonna paste it. And after this, the file name. Yep, it's the same. So if I press enter, you will see something interesting that actually played. So you can play with this a bit. You can install another APKs. You can do many stuff right here. Okay, we can check if it's rooted. I don't think this command will work because this is a virtual device. Yep, it's not rooted. You can play with these command a lot. Okay, uh, do anything. You can delete anything. You can go to the directories. You can do anything you want. Okay, so take care, guys. Make sure to like this video. The like code is maybe 10. Just like. Okay.
Monday left me broken. Tuesday